Hello students, myself is Parminder Singh from Prab Kripa classes. Our today's topic is career counseling, your partner in education planning and bridging skill gaps. We have already learnt that career counseling is a systematic process. When we take the decision with regard to our career, it is not a simple decision, it is a very difficult task. We often take decision with regard to our career on the basis of incomplete information or on the basis of what our parents say, or we take the decision under societal pressure. We, while taking the decision with regard to our career, if we do not agree with our parents, the parents may ask us, what do you want to become in your life? What is your career goal? We do not have any answer. So the career counselors play an important role. If we are uncertain about our career goals, or if we want to change our career, or if we are unable to get a job after having been laid off, or if we are not getting career progression. In this course, the students will understand that the career counselor plays an important role in educational planning. The career counselor guides us which type of education may be required if we want to achieve our career goal. They will also tell us about the various colleges or universities which may be providing the relevant education skills. They will also guide us from where we can get the experience with regard to our career goals. The career counselor will also tell us that apart from traditional colleges, there are vocational schools which may help us in acquiring new skills. The career counselors will also guide us that education has its own cost. If we study in, say, private college, the cost may be on the higher side. If we study in government institution, the cost is likely to be less. The students will also understand that before deciding the course which we want to study, or before deciding the institution from where we want to study, we should understand the financial implications. That is what is likely to be the expenses which we will have to incur in respect of the tuition fees, admission fees, cost of books. The students, the by going through this course, the students will also learn that we should understand the return on investment in the case of education. It means that we should understand what is likely to be the return, that is what is likely to be the salary or the amount of money which we may get if we land into the desired career goal. That is, if we want to say become an officer in a banking institution, what will be the salary package in future? If we want to become marketing manager, what will be the pay? If we want to become, say, engineer, what will be the likely salary? And what is the present investment which we are thinking to make to become an engineer or a pilot? What is the likely cost which will be incurring to achieve our career goal? And what will be the return on investment? The career cons. This, by going through this course, we will also help to understand that we should not think that we have all the skills. There may be certain areas where we need improvement. The career counselors, by way of self-assessment tests, skill assessment tests, interviews, discussions, and questionnaires, they will identify the skill gaps, and they will also provide us tailor-made recommendations so that we can acquire the relevant skills and improve our skills so that we can achieve our career goal. They make these recommendations keeping in view the time constraints, our present skill set, and the budget which we can afford. By going through this course, we will understand that the career counselor also lays emphasis on one important aspect of life, and that is lifelong learning. In this competitive world, we should not be complacent, or we should not become worryless to think that we have achieved a particular position in life and now we need not worry. We should not study further. We should not acquire new skills. We should not study. We should not have knowledge about the new devices which are coming into the relevant field. Lifelong learning is a process that we should continuously improve our skills, and we should have the knowledge about the technology which is affecting our field. And by having our proper mindset with regard to the learning in future as well, only then we can succeed in our life, and only then our job can give satisfaction to us. If we are not changing with time, not acquiring new skills, not acquiring the necessary skill to operate various technological devices which may be necessary for us to do as a part of our job, then it may be quite possible that we may be facing a lot of problems in our job. And if we are doing our own business, even then it is quite possible that our business may incur to continue may continue to incur losses, and we may have to shut our business. So in the nutshell, the career counselors play an important role in our life with regard to self-assessment, career exploration, goal setting, education planning, and bridging the skill gaps so that we can acquire the necessary skills and achieve our career goal in life. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.